Let's take a look at some of the exclusive features of the rugged SP-6 Quadra-Splitter that divides free-flowing granular material ½ inch or smaller into 4 representative samples in a single pass. Compared to traditional splitters, the SP-6 yields twice as many sample fractions per pass. Especially suited for coal, coke, or ore samples, the Quadra-Splitter meets sample preparation requirements for a number of ASTM test methods. The SP-6 can also be used for efficient sample dividing of construction aggregate as described in ASTM C702. Especially suited for coal or coke since moisture loss is minimized, the Gilson Quadra-Splitter yields 4 equal samples up to 0.4 cubic feet each for a total sample capacity of 1.6 cubic feet. While the fully enclosed design contains dust and prevents moisture loss during operation. SP-6 feeder mechanism seals the inlet opening as material is being discharged through 3 60-degree chute decks, each containing 14 1-inch chutes. The sample output is distributed equally into the 4 sample pans for a quarter split in one pass. And with just 3 sample passes or fewer, bulk samples are easily reduced to volumes needed for materials testing. The durable SP-6 Quadra-Splitter contact parts are made of stainless steel for minimal sample contamination, and with other parts fabricated from galvanized steel, ensuring low maintenance and a long service life. Hinge-mounted side doors allow for easy inspection and cleaning of chute sections, and sealed sample pans slide in and out easily using the handles provided. The SP-6 includes 4 sample pans and 1 feed pan. But additional pans are available to make this rugged and efficient unit the right choice for your materials testing lab. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Gilson catalog and on the Gilson website. Gilson, your industry leader for materials testing equipment.